Dell's marketing MBA interns here for a Dell's Kitchen cooking taste competition with executive judges from our marketing organization.
We had a great time. There was good synergy between the teams. There were awesome and different ideas. It was nice to see folks rise to the occasion, really great attitudes from everyone. It was nice to see the executive involvement and how interested the judges were and how they participated too.
It was awesome. It was an amazing experience. I couldn't thought that we were going to actually cook. I'm from Peru, so I tend to be a good cook, but I just learned how to cook 3 months ago. So I was trying to do my best, but at the end, my team was very strong. So I liked it, the overall experience. I really love being here. All the chefs were very, very helpful. I didn't know what was I doing so far, but Mirna helped me a lot with all the things. At the end, we cooked lamb chops with potatoes and also vegetables. So at the end, I think we really had a really good job. So all the chefs were great. So I really loved this experience. I didn't know the people. We were a team of 6 people, and I only knew 2 of them. So this exercise at the end, it let us bond better. Now the 6 of us are really close because we went on all this experience together. So I really recommend this for team building, for getting to know each other better in other contexts more than work. So I highly recommend it.
Live it now, no, so we're up. We just sit on the couch, one thing led to another, now just kissing my mouth. I need you, darling, come on, set the tone. If you feel